Nokia Soft web-based corrugated box packaging manufacturing system application. Corrugated box packaging manufacturing management system. Overview. Corrugated boxes are widely utilized in the packaging of various things from food and beverages, chemicals, glassware and ceramics, paper, electronics, textiles, personal care and household products to shipping, etc. The list is endless. Thus, we can say that corrugated boxes are everywhere. You may have them in your home and not even realize it. Even the pizza you receive comes in a corrugated box, and 6 million tons of old corrugated boxes are recycled every year. Corrugated boxes are popular because of their strength, durability, lightness, recyclability, and cost-effectiveness. Since these boxes are made by assembling 3 layers of corrugated cardboard sheets. These sheets assist in trapping air between them, which acts as a cushion for protecting the contents of the box. Due to these qualities and safety of packaging items in corrugated boxes, they are used widely in the food industry. The growth in these end-use industries has propelled the demand for corrugated boxes worldwide. Moreover, the e-commerce industry is experiencing strong growth on account of the convenience offered by online shopping, such as free shipping options, and hassle-free delivery and return policies. As online retailers use product-specific corrugated boxes to keep items safe from mechanical stress, it is positively influencing the market growth. Apart from this, in order to launch improved corrugated boxes, manufacturers are investing in research and development activities. They are also coming up with customized packaging to widen their consumer base. The demand for corrugated boxes is only set to increase with the coming years. Until now, there is no replacement for this product. Moreover, since these boxes are environmental friendly in nature, as they are manufactured without the use of any harmful chemicals and can be easily recycled, they are highly advantageous than other packing products. Corrugated paperboard containers are extensively used in the packaging of industrial as well as consumer goods. Major products like crockery, automobile components, glassware, pharmaceuticals, soaps and cosmetics, biscuits, etc. require proper packing, and with the growth of these industries, demand for corrugated boxes is encouraging. Corrugated board is manufactured on large high-precision machinery lines called corrugators. The corrugated medium is usually 127G/M2 paperboard. Higher grades are also available. It arrives to the corrugators on large rolls. At the single facer, it is heated, moistened, and formed into a fluted pattern on geared wheels. This is joined to a flat liner board with a starch-based adhesive to form single face board. At the double backer, a second flat liner board is adhered to the other side of the fluted medium to form single wall corrugated board. Liner boards are often kraft paperboard, of various grades, but may be bleached white, mottled white, colored, or pre-printed. Flutes come in 5 basic heights and shapes. The most common are sizes are A, B, C, E and F or microflute. A flute was the first to be developed and is the largest common flute profile. B flute was next and is much smaller. C flute followed and is between A and B in size. E flute is smaller than B and F flute is smaller yet. The letter designation relates to the order that the flutes were invented, not the relative sizes. Flute size refers to the number of flutes per lineal foot. For example, B flute is approximately 1/4 inch from the top of one flute to the next, or 50 flutes per foot. 12 in, C flute is 5/16 inch from flute to flute, or 42 flutes per lineal foot, 12 in. E flute is 1/8 inch flute to flute, or 90 flutes per lineal foot, 12 in. Board thickness is an unreliable metric, due to various manufacturing conditions. However, a rough guide is, C flute equals 5/32 inch thick. B flute equals 1/8 inch thick, E flute equals 1/16 inch thick. The most common flute size in corrugated boxes is C flute. Corrugated board is often graded by the basis weights of the liner boards, burst or mullen strength, edge crush test, or flat crush test. TAPI and ASTM test methods for these are standardized. The choice of corrugated medium, flute size, combining adhesive and liner boards can be varied to engineer a corrugated board with specific properties to match a wide variety of potential uses. Double and triple wall corrugated board is also produced for high stacking strength and puncture resistance. The strength of a corrugated box starts with its material. A corrugated sheet consists of two major components: linerboard and medium. Linerboard is the flat paper that covers both sides of the sheet, and the medium is the fluted or arched paper found between both liners. The flute, when anchored to the linerboards with a starch-based adhesive, resists bending and pressure from all directions. When placed vertically on its ends, the flutes form vertical columns, capable of supporting considerable amounts of weight. This stage can be made on different devices or on slitter. Box sizes are measured by using inner dimensions unless otherwise specified. The size of your contents actually determines the inner box dimensions. In USA, those dimensions are listed in the following sequence: length, L, X width, W, X depth, D. Internationally, the dimensions are stated as length, L, X breadth, B, X height, H. The corrugated board is creased or scored to provide controlled bending of the board. Most often, slots are cut to provide flaps on the box. Scoring and slotting can also be accomplished by die cutting. The most common box style is the regular slotted container, RSC. All flaps are the same length and the major flaps meet in the center of the box. The die-cut containers are manufactured on a die cutter that cuts and creases the board. It is usually reserved for a more sophisticated pack style. This process requires a form that can be mounted around a cylinder, in which case the machine is called a rotary die cutter. The other variant is called a flatbed die cutter. As indicated by its name, its form is flat. Once the converting process is over, the corrugated packaging is put on a pallet and can be delivered to the customer. Nokiasoft Corrugated Box Manufacturing Management System, CBMMS, COR, is designed as an integrated management system for corrugated box manufacturing industries using information technology, IT, solutions. CBMMS, COR, application is software solution built to effectively and efficiently manage all business processes of corrugated box manufacturing companies. The CBMMS, COR, manages all customer and order-related data and to control scheduling and manufacturing process activities, as well as for finished goods handling to enable customer order delivery target with optimum results. For management overview, CBMMS, COR, also be facilitated with a dashboard display both on graphical and numbers presentation of various data related to customers' order and tracking every detail and status, etc. Details report and analysis data in both graphical and numbers are also available for each functional modules, such as for customer and order management, vendor and procurement data, user transaction data, corrugating schedule, manufacturing progress, and finished goods handling including warehouse and delivery management, etc. CBMMS, COR, Manufacturing Life Cycle Management application is designed to suit all business process related to corrugated box manufacturing companies that meets most of these requirements. CBMMS, COR, is the solutions. Time to deliver is critical for fast-moving in corrugated box manufacturing businesses. At CBMMS, COR, we focus on quality and time to delivery of corrugated manufacturer product, combined with an innovative core workflow framework using industry-standard components such as Microsoft Windows Workflow as our middleware built around a web-based framework. Our off-the-shelf workflow solutions can be quickly configured and customized and implement workflow solutions that automate and speed up your business processes. We provide our customers with competitive advantage through quicker time to market and time savings through streamlined automated process. Traditional workflow solutions are expensive to deploy and cumbersome to manage. CBMMS, COR, provides web-based solution that helps you of the need to purchase hardware, upgrade environments, and install software. CBMMS, COR, have innovated and built a core web workflow framework that is highly configurable. We have implemented several workflow-based applications using our core platform and using agile development processes to map our customer requirements that are delivered on a hosted or software service model. We have over 30 years of experience in business process mapping for the entire industry's value chain that can manage complex business life cycles. CBMMS, COR, Functional Modules. The following modules simplified the descriptions of CBMMS, COR's functionalities that each business processes are grouped in the usual and structured organization. RSC Box Design and Calculation. Provides tool for sales and marketing in designing and calculating the cost and pricing of regular slotted container corrugated box based on the box dimension, board type, flutes type, and material paper weight used, together with other related costs such as adhesive, corrugating, converting, printing, warehouse, and delivery. The design covers for both single face, single wall, double wall, and triple wall corrugated box using any combination of selected flutes types such as flute A, B, C, E and F. The resulted design and calculated model may be saved as product design and pricing library, which are accessible to the salesperson or directly to the customer ordering process. Customer and Order Manager. The module manage customer data, customer contact data and any related customer document management system, and handles ordering process including customer request for quotation, RFQ, product and price quotation, and customer order data and customer invoicing data. The module also interact with the scheduling and manufacturing process to keep sales and marketing staff monitor every detail progress on each customer order. When the system is connected to the internet, it allows your customers a limited access to your systems, and provides one-click order management for complex processes that link into your product design library management system. With its inbuilt workflow configuration, you can quickly provision multiple types of order for customers. In today's complex environments, effective order management is essential to manage inventory with just-in-time ordering in place and complex multiple vendor provisioning environments. Our order management solution provides the flexibility of workflow fulfillment, provisioning integrated with customer-facing order management all on the web 24/7. CBMMS, COR, order management solutions have helped our customers to provide dedicated branded sales order channels online to customer, integrate fulfillment, provisioning capabilities through workflow process management. Provide transparency of the order provisioning process to all stakeholders and reduce disputes, control costs and optimize resources through multiple provisioning process requirements for each product type. Enable the order processes with a web-enabled system. Provides all detailed information of customer order data, monitoring of all progress details. Provide option for online marketing channel when the system is connected though the internet. Corrugating Schedule and Optimization Manager. Corrugated Scheduling and Optimization Manager is a comprehensive collaborative workflow-driven application to effectively plan, manage, track and complete process of corrugated manufacturing on time. It helps users manage and complete manufacturing process and completing the works on time through effective monitoring of progress milestones, managing and tracking of the manufacturing progress at each stage. The application gives a clear view of the production costs and also whether the customer delivery schedules are secured. With Scheduling Manager, you can search the proposed delivery date given by customers in your existing customer order database, any changes, and earlier proposed delivery schedule. You can mobilize resources, manage manufacturing progress, search for manufacturing stages, manage identification and multiple manufacturing processes with the built-in milestone-driven manufacturing management tool. Provides workflow, collaborative process-driven application to plan, manage, track and complete manufacturing planning schedule. Strong competition and the high demands of consumer goods companies for just-in-time delivery together with high standards of product and service quality are turning the top end of the corrugated board box market into a very tough place to be. Customers order a large variety of different boxes, each with its own color scheme and product-specific printing, and expect them to be delivered at very short notice. These demands, combined with the complexity of a multi-stage production process and the unpredictability of customer behavior and machine failures, lead to larger and larger inventories of finished goods stock at corrugated box factories, all to be able to guarantee on time and in full deliveries to the clients. Only to the uninitiated might a corrugated box factory seem like one of the simpler manufacturing environments, but the fact that each box has to be produced to exact customer specifications and the inherent tendency of customers to make last-minute order changes turns the manufacturing of corrugated boxes, at least in the high-value end of the business, where customers demand just-in-time delivery on very short notice, into one of the prime examples of a complex dynamic system. The fact that in a reasonably sized plant the production of even very large and complex runs would hardly take more than a couple of minutes on each machine is not much comfort to a seasoned plant manager. Fixed machine set times between each new run and the necessity of permanently high machine utilization due to the capital and labor intensity of manufacturing makes the detailed scheduling of all production jobs very necessary. The result is that there was no genuine understanding of the relationships between customer order patterns, factory capacity, factory flexibility, robustness, machine speeds, order batching, warehouse size, and on-time deliveries. The problems arising in the management of a corrugated box factory can only be understood in detail using sophisticated scheduling and simulation technology. Our focus here is to be more specific rather than general, and ensure the resulting model is not only accurate, but has a fast runtime for the given class of factories. Manufacturing Manager. This module provides control to the stage of corrugating, converting, cutting, and printing process of the corrugated box manufacturing. By selecting an outstanding schedule and to proceed with the manufacturing process. The manufacturing plant on duty will work on the basis of priority and schedule as specified and designed in the scheduling process. To start with corrugating process, first have to select from the outstanding order waiting for corrugating, which is automatically listed when they are available. Outstanding corrugating process will be listed in queue grouped by board type. Similarly, this also applies for further process such as for converting and printing process. Finished Goods Handling Manager manages finished goods handling process, such as labeling, dispatch to warehouse and delivery to customers. This tool allows you to manage your finished goods handling chain and enhance customer satisfaction by providing reliable information about order shipments as well as current inventory levels. You can keep track of product inventory, quantity at each warehouse, movement history, and stocking status. Inventory data is updated in real time so that you can extract insights to meet customer demand and expectations. The Master Data Management feature in CBMMS, COR, lets you maintain item numbers and descriptions with detailed customer order data. With CBMMS, COR, Finished Goods Management, consistently prompt order fulfillment is within your reach. This application dramatically improves efficiency in picking, packing and shipping orders by streamlining day-to-day activities and maximizing the productivity of your warehouse staff. With CBMMS, COR, Finished Goods Management, you can track inventory items by bins and containers, designating the items that move in and out of inventory. You'll be able to prepare pick lists for items that need to be picked for sales orders, transfers, material requisitions, and other transaction types. Once a group of items has been extracted, you can print a master picking list that shows the inventory items to be picked. Corrugated Box Design Production Administrator. User Properties. User Logs. App License. Master Data. Corporate. Vendor Supplier. Customer. Goods Items. Goods Item Stock. Chart Account. Currency. Taxes. Cost Center. Numbering. Item Group. Unit of Measure. Paper Roll Materials. Adhesive Materials. Production Machines. Country. City District. Product Design. Asterisk single face. Asterisk single wall. Asterisk double wall. Asterisk triple wall. Production plan. Asterisk sales order. Asterisk production schedule. Asterisk schedule changes. Asterisk schedule cancellation. Production process. Asterisk work order. Asterisk production start. Asterisk production progress. Asterisk production closing. Finished handling. Asterisk quality check. Asterisk packaging. Asterisk storage to inventory. Asterisk delivery. Reports. Asterisk design list. Asterisk production plan. Asterisk production progress. Asterisk production stock. Asterisk raw materials. Messaging. Asterisk inbox. Asterisk outbox. Asterisk draft. Your account. Asterisk change password. Asterisk change photo. Asterisk change language. Asterisk log history. Nokiasoft Web-Based Software as Services, SaaS, System Application. We offer web-based software as services, SaaS, for your business solution. Nokiasoft, the software engineering services, believes, practices of the software engineering principles and best practices. Our adopted process framework, and our conviction on quality based our own software development experience, enables us to deliver the best to our customers. While software engineering has been around for decades, its adoption leading to business success through improved quality and predictability has been, by and large, a mirage. Software is essentially a construction in mind and, a collective one at that, with many stakeholders of varying interests and skills. Applying the engineering principles is more of continuous refinements of an adaptive process rather than adoption of a prescriptive process. Nokiasoft, with its wealth of acquired knowledge and more than a decade of experience, has specialized in transitioning itself and its customers into sound software engineering practices without undue documentation and technology overheads. We are the only IT consultancy management, design and development, software as services, SaaS, and cloud application solutions. SaaS app on desktop. SaaS web-based application will be installed on desktop computer. SaaS app on VPS server. SaaS web-based application will be installed on data center VPS server. SaaS app on Colorado dedicated server. SaaS web-based application will be installed on data center Colorado dedicated server. SaaS app in-house server. SaaS web-based application will be installed on your in-house server. Professional business application service provider. Software as service, SaaS, provider. Software as a service, SaaS, is a software distribution model in which a third-party provider hosts applications and makes them available to customers over the Internet. SaaS is one of three main categories of cloud computing, alongside infrastructure as a service, IaaS, and platform as a service, PaaS. VPS and dedicated application services. We also offer customers to run our web-based applications with a VPS that runs its own copy of an operating system, and customers may have super user level access to that operating system instance, so they can install multiple applications that runs on that OS. The system working 24 hours with high bandwidth internet connection. Agile software development. Agile software development is a conceptual framework for software engineering that promotes development iterations throughout the life cycle of the project. Website development. Our expert team of website developers and digital strategists use cutting-edge technology and best practices to create custom sites that increase user engagement. We understand that every custom web development project is unique. We want to get to know your brand, understand your needs, and determine an appropriate timeline and project plan tailored to your business. Anwar. Founder, creator and developer. Email, nokiasoft@gmail.com